Prime Minister Narendra Modi will address the second edition of the flagship financial technology event called the Infinity Forum 2.0 on Saturday. 10 BJP MPs who have won the state assembly elections from Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan and Chhattisgarh recently have resigned from parliament. Union Minister for Women and Child Development Smriti Irani has informed the Rajya Sabha that the government has decided to implement the component of Nari Adalat in a phased manner under Mission Shakti. India observes Armed Forces Flag Day today in honor of martyrs and the soldiers in the armed forces. In the Junior Men's Hockey World Cup, India is taking on Spain in the second Pool C match in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia today.